Yes, sir. Blessed in the name of Chukwuka Biama. We are live in the voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are live in the voice of Biafra, 97.5 FM. Blessed in Joko, downtown. Ise, Ana Agwonele. Yes, sir. Blessed in the name of Chukwuka Biama. Blessed in the name of Chukwuka Biama. Ise, we are doing good, no matter the circumstances. I salute you once again. My name remains Fortune Amarabu. Blessed in the name of Chukwuka Biama. Most important today that we are more interested to concern about world policy. You know, since 4 years ago, or 3.5 years, when democracy take power in America, you see a lot of disaster in the refugee issue, South Americas. You see, it's very nasty, very disgraceful, uncountable, It's just like a trading of the 21st century of a human being because of they want to prove right, support the government, to subdue them, chase them out of their land through the government, and welcome them in America and create a job and create facility and blaming people. All those things is rubbish, Look at what is happening in Afghanistan. Everything America can do, just rubbish. This is very worth discussing in the whole world. You look at what is happening in the refugee issue in Europe, very discussing, uncountable talking. Look at what is happening in Africa. Every time they give them hate, they give them this. They're giving things in the wrong governors and wrong people they support to be that they're trying. All those things is gonna stop, So I'm using some courage to thank everyone, to know where we stand for and what we are going to do. Everything we said it, he did it. Also, my concerning a little bit jokers in the Nigerian policy saying that they must force people to come out, you go to people's house, where they're talking to child distance, because all the story I had in Nigeria is very disgraces. I don't know how people take it serious. I don't know how the people is imagined to speak in something they cannot speak. Because of what? I don't know. But let's keep it there. Our sitting at home in Enugu State is bomber to bomber. Biafran people knows what they do and will know what to do. I thank you all, everyone who is related to concerning for the life of people, concerning since we were born as a Western people. Every day, issue of refugee never stops, especially in Africa. It's very discussing and imbalanced to looking standard of the life, or looking of the policy, or looking of the fact, or looking of the constitutions, So I speaking in a peace mind and calm mind to what understanding that you cannot get it good when you cannot accept the truth from the grassroots on the platform. Western world misleading their children and their masses against Africans. And we try to recorrect it. Then to understanding that the policy they put in Africa, we don't choose to be in that policy. Policy they make in Africa, we don't aware of it, but we are victim into it. You can see it with our movement of blindness. You can see it our schools of asylum. You can see it all the foolishness. You set a trap people will come to lie, I'm not from Nigeria, I'm from Cameroon, I'm not from Cameroon, because all these things is true. Because there's something is wrong. Because originally they're not there. Western people give them those names. So my point is to do things right and needful. Let us play the game. Because this music we are playing with Nigeria is not a joke anymore. And the world knows Biafran want to save the world. Freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Sitting at home is unstoppable. Blessed name of Chukwuka Biama. He say, I salute you once again. I salute you once again. He say, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Blessed in the name of Chukwuka Biama. You know, we are not copying people. We are doing things. You know, everything you see here, you never see it anywhere in the life. And what you're hearing here is, you can hear similar from my own Biafran peoples. So let's make it right to understanding that we are living the life as it is, and the life living with us as it is. This is a different style, not free style. You understand it? Of the stoppage of Nigeria to failing to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are very, Biafran people are very transparent, and we speak what we're going to do before we do it, and we speak what we are going to do before we do it, because it was right from the day one. The God Chukwuka Biama created us, and that is why we are transparent. At this moment, we are going in a critical point of the reality to finish this garbage. We are fighting the not cripple Nigerian economy, mathematics, sitting at home in the highest level, to occupy every month the 4 weeks. But first of all, we will start in this month, July 31st, and this mathematics to sit at home from Monday to Friday. Saturday, make your own business. Sunday, make your own service, because church people to consider themselves for a scapegoat. Sunday is free. Monday will start again to Friday. There is no result. Our Prime Minister will speak for them, because it's already been momentum. People will love it. That is the true story I'm telling you. It's gonna happen. But I respecting that Nigeria should be comprised to free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. On that stage, we already is staging that we are standing our hand to claim, to take our territory. To sitting at home, we're starting, all of them will start together, both the Jos, all the Plateau State, all the Benue State, all the Niger State, all the Kogi State, on some part, Ondo, Akure, Ilorin, all the Gudumi State. This state I'm talking is a Nigerian state. When Biafran state neutralize all these places, then we are mentioning by our new state. Those in Ojuku state, in Anoma state, is already official. Everywhere to Ugocha, to Gabon, not Gabon, but when time comes, we will stand to each other. So my point is this mathematics cripple economy, tighten the knot. It's beginning that the British should understanding that we are right standing for their why they deceive us. That they deceive us to everyone to be one, everybody to benefit and to help each other. But it's not existing now. So we stay strong for our main purpose, for stay to save life. So it's a big opportunity that our people will saving their money, saving their life, and more enjoying it and thinking good. All their life they're suffering from nothing. They never have the time to enjoy or relax or to think twice. So we created it. I thank you. Freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Chukwuka is our God. Biafra is our religion. Truth and honest. Blessed. Name of Chukwuka. I thank also the Western people that everything prophesied is happening. I was being championed the promise of the more than 3 years to do the needful. He failed, and now he's really failed. And I informed you to resign. And now I totally resign. It's too late. Biafra is open the door to make it right. It cannot help when detention still exists. It cannot help when African government has never been charged for any citizen. I want you people to close Nigeria embassy. I want you people to close Nigeria embassy, to boycott for anything Nigeria. Not to be late for you. Biafran is welcome you for everything Nigeria offer you times 20 with the transparent. First our life, look like you, be like you, and you will enjoy with us. Black people, as I call them, will stop suffering. I thank you to say, rested our Prime Minister under our lead of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, we are continuing. We are live in the voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are live in the voice of Biafra 97.3. He said, this message is persistic when I mention Igbos. We are coming up. We have a lot of drama because too much things to plan. Yes, it's very interesting to be concerned that why the Southeast Nigerian government have been contributed themselves by speaking, ladies Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, ladies Mazi Kanu, the judges are already releasing, there's no more democracy, bring it to my hand. The same people are going to Abuja and making a meeting and forget what they said to find a peace, and are now going to create a war to kidnap fortune or kidnap all the whole media in one day. Yes, sir. Let me tell you that your meeting, what was discussed inside your meeting is very simple. Your meeting is discussing to use between the people in every state to take action in one day, because the international can never respond. And your crime is going to committed, and we are ahead of you. So let's put it in a common sense. How they contributed themselves as a democracy country when the judge and the rule and the law have been decided to release somebody is very important. And they're not stand for that, and they cry to release, and now they're planning to kidnap people, and they're planning to killing people. I have a message to them. It's good to Nigerian government to understanding you have to go inside every village from Biafran territory, state who have inside Nigerian state, Plateau state, Benue state, Niger state, Kogi state, Edo state, Delta state, and go on. To understand it, you have to go and arrested the people who come in to sit at home, because you are coming to sit at home, all the state will sit at home. very clearly. So second part, if you feel that the justice is democracy, nobody vote for you. Nigeria election has been all the history, both the president to the governor to the senating, that there are not more than 6 million people. Official, forget their fraud paper. So which kind of democracy? Majority carry the vote. Then what of the rest of Nigerian people? So why they ignore it? Carry the empty institution to fool and kill in name of British. We defeated British by truth and honest. We defeated wife of Mazi, not wife of Mazi, defeated the UCHA Bureau. We defeated the US. We defeated every institution, United Nations, because we defeated them by who transferred their word to themselves, them to comply for what they mean, or what they thought to mean, or what they said. So this Ohaneze Igbo Ndoshi don't know even the size of Igbos, don't even know the meaning of Igbos. I warning you people, time is for you. The eyes of Samuel Ebe is eyes of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is eyes of fortune, is eyes of every autopilot. Now our eyes are on you people. Your brother will take actions. We are talking of in the diplomatic level. I thank you. All of you are failures and stupid and the coward that you don't feel ashamed that a British colonize your country, give you a name, Nigeria. You say you have independent, still answering the name. What's the name it was before they give you Nigeria and make you independent? When they make independent, you should answer your name, means independent. Chevron people, British has made the giant of Africa for their own personal benefit. And the giant of Africa have been seeking asylums, have been being a fool all over the world. The truth, and listen to our Prime Minister Samuel Ebe, and listen to me, and listen to those who know what it takes. We are not enemy with Western people. We will try to save and correct Western people for their failures, having been oversued and overstood in their overwhelming complaining. We Biafran who created stable life, Contamara system, EU systems, fresh system, air system, gratuity system, integrity system, assistance system, transparent systems, functioning systems, all the systems, creative, equal and balanced. I thank you to take opportunity to think clockwise. Rested freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is already free, unconditionally. Nigeria don't have less than 1 month to do what we demand. I thank you all. Blessed of Chukwu say. Your life 97.5 downtown. Breasted in Joko. He say you continue worry. It's a task. Thank the trainers who are banned anywhere Biafran land. Enough is enough. All the Fulanis with the Caterolina or not Caterolina or cattle driver, whatever you do, you should go back. Your security for the company, for oil well, you should go back immediately. This is a notice before end of this month. I'm calling upon the people in the northern, real northern, should be come back if you're willing. Our sitting at home is opportunity for our people to stop dying. The buying and selling has made their life confused. They never achieve anything. They never have opportunity to sit home. Now they have opportunity to sit at home, to think normal, to shower good and discuss good as a family, think why, what is the country, what is the land, what is their culture, to listen good now. And thank you that you created the libertarian system, that they bring their mindset in a positive mind. They then can achieve what they never achieved before in their life, to have opportunity to be at home without worry about the money, worry about anything, to be like a woman being, like people do in the Western world. This obligation has been now activated. I thank you to applicative and amicable executed fulfillment of Chukwuka Biama, to sit at home until you hear from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Freedom is in our hand. We are winning. I thank you all that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu already be free, completely free. Samuel Ebe, autopilot, has been make sure the Nigerian court has proved the justice for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is the only thing Samuel Ebe will achieve, that the Nigerian government system has really given justice correct and speak it out and official. That is the only thing people didn't understand. Our Prime Minister achievable, and that is to prove what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, that Nigerian government can never jail him, they can never defeat him by justice. As I may prove it. So gambling system keeping him now is not exist, and that is the reason why you have to listen to our Prime Minister. And that's the reason why when you listen to me, you're understanding what I mean. I thank you all. Blessed name of Chukwuka, Biafra is our religion, truth and honest. He say, and I go now. Yes, sir. OFA Biafra. IPOB, one love family. If an amaro carry the fan. It's just important message that the British government have worked together with the Tinubu government and the Hanese Ndibo and the inferior Igbo peoples called themselves governors to declare war on 31st of May in the Biafra land, and declare the war that they want to keep Mazi Kanu in the prison. They want to come to bombing people's house sitting at home. I want the world to watch what's going to happen practically and theoretically, how we can be overcome and overwhelm them, and clear message. I want to inform them that the Biafran Liberation Army have extended their right to rescue their own brother in the Plateau State and the Benue State and the Niger State and the Kogi State, who are forming the IPOB over there to work hand in hand. So our soldiers will shifting to start to kick all the Fulani in Ukumangu, kick all the Fulani in everywhere in the Biafran territory, northern Biafran territory, equal middle belt. Right now, DNA from South America prove who they are. We're going to take over. We don't wait till there. That soldier is bringing is bring it there. Bring all the soldier to Brautu. Bring all the soldier to Kogi. Bring all the soldier Niger. Bring all the soldier in the Benue. We are going there. Biafran Liberation Army. I'm going there to rescue our woman being, their own brother and the fresh. They cannot die like a chicken and a goat. Organize the governors, Tinubu, Setima, all of you bringing the British, bringing your soldier there. People are dying. We are going to rescue them and take our land back. Thank you to respond for your message of 31st. We have 3 games. One will sit at home and defend our right. 3rd game, we're going to defend our brother. The 4th one, we have to shut down every. The 3rd one, we have to shut down every Western company has not to cooperate with us. End of it. It's a freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is better than this drama and this Biafran war. You want to come again to the war to us. We work with technology, we work with our brain, and intelligent. We don't need gun, we don't need anything but to produce the gun and use the gun when it's necessary. Thank you all to listen to our Prime Minister and solve this situation once forever. No retreat, no surrender. He say, we are alive, we are alive, we are serious, and make it serious. There is nothing to be hide. Nigeria is a disgrace to the world. Nigeria is a big disgrace to the world, and I don't understand the world are validating this garbage. Stop it. Trump make it clear. Nigerian presidents, African presidents are dirty peoples, are disgracing human beings, a bunch of idiots. Some of their colleagues and Western world are using them to obey their riches. This rubbish will stop. We are continuing. We are live in the voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are live in the voice of Biafra 97.5 downtown, breasted in Joko. He say Eastern security. He say full name, our capital city of the Biafran is Ebube. Ebube Chukwu Afro Negro. Ebube Afro Negro and Negro. Ebube Afro Negro. Our Biafran Divisional Army, our full name of Biafran Divisional Army is Okike Americasia Biafran Soldier. Okike Americasia Biafran Soldier. Biafran Soldier, Okike. I thank you to update, and this important things should be in our mind. I thank you all. Our state is standing. We'll come to the almost equal state to the America when Biafran Federation come as one. We're hanging on. Thank you all. You say we're live in the voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We're live in the voice of Biafra 97.5 FM. You say we are going to end it Biafran to observe things for the future. Government in exile are calling upon the world to restore the national policy on this month 31st. Support Biafran government. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Breasted in the name of Chukwu Kabiama. All right. Yes, sir. We are fixing it right. We are doing it right. And everything gonna be right now. In the name of Chukwu Kabiama. You say, Breasted. I thank you once again for ending it in short period. But my qualify is that I want to use the opportunity to thank all the Biafran people sitting at home, and I thank them. Also, I thank Ndinze Nandozo, Nando Kenya Baruru. No. I thank you people those who consistently sitting at home. So I thank the Biafran Liberation Army. America Sia Chukwu Kabiama, the best soldier in the world. I thank you, included with Eastern security. I greet you people all. But I want to have the opportunity also to address the Western world to understanding that everything we are doing has a purpose and have timing and ending. It's not surprise that will mix everything from the Western country to the down to Africa. That is where it is. I thank you all. Let's give Nigerian government a little bit warning. It's very sad, you know. Breasted in the name of Chukwu Kabiama. Yes, Nigeria government Tinubu scanning country. I want to make it clear to you. We as a Biafran in the Western world here, there is many Fulanis from Gambia, Senegal, all over other African people. Has he confessed that what you people are doing is not fair? There is many Sudanese confess what you people are doing. They are being victimized to be part of you. And their life now being in Europe without culture, without dignity. Because their blood and DNA couldn't accept what they forced their grandfather to be. That's why being blockade in African people in Europe, Italians, how their behaviors, negative and positive part, is very fundamental. Who help follow me, who sleeping in Europe, follow me from Gambia, from other places, to give them place to sleep. We are not dividing people. We want to lie for even follow me. Biafran want to help you, help other people, but you have to choose your own country where to be. Listen to human being who can help you. You cannot behave like an animal and forced to live with a woman being. How can you follow me behaving like an animal and forcing to live with a woman being in Nigeria? No, we want to help you, give you oil free, give you gas free, but we don't know your country because we history don't have no country in Nigeria. So that is the message I have to the follow me to realize and thinking where to go. Biafran feed you in Europe, Biafran feed you in Africa. Biafran oil you are using to make a big man. Everything is from what you have, nothing. What you have with the cattle and their knife and their guns and the walking all the whole bush. Unlike not accepted people like that. So how can you forced to be a person with people? This is the message I have to Nigeria. It's a serious message to the world, to understanding. We already clean it up and explain it clear, all right? For me, I'm not a woman being to live with a human being, especially the ones in Nigeria. I thank you all. This is my message. Blessed in the name of Chukwuka Abiyama. I salute you guys. You know, sometimes too much positive, sometimes everything positive. I give it to Samuel Rebe, I give it to Madam Azoka, I give it to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I give it to our land, Odumegwu Ojukwu, our land, William Effium. I greet all of you. Ikonso, you are my heart. Your life, your death can never go in vain. Double lions, all of you, they kill on purposely. I love you all. We're getting this last action part. Last part. Biafran versus Nigeria. You say